The tricky thing about joins is that they're a means to do other types of analysis. Combining data isn't an end unto itself. It's a tool that allows you to filter or aggregate with an expanded set of information. That means queries involving joins can get pretty complicated. In order to get the exact results you're after, you'll need to be careful about exactly how you filter the data. As with joins, there are multiple options. To illustrate this, let's take a look at all the orders that were brought in by one particular sales rep. Imagine yourself as a sales manager at Parch & Posey. You'd like to make it easy for a sales rep to find her own deals rather than having to sift through all the orders and try and remember which were hers. Remember, sales rep ID isn't in the orders table, so a join is necessary to get that information. The first way to filter this data is something we're already familiar with, the where clause. Let's take our combined orders and accounts tables and filter the result set to contain only the orders booked by sales rep 321500. As you can see, the only rows in our result set are the rows that fit the criteria in the where clause, the ones that have a sales rep ID equal to 321500. But what if we just want to mark all the orders that belong to rep 321500 and keep all the other orders in the result set as well? We can do that by filtering in the on clause. By changing where to and, we're moving this logical statement to become part of the on clause. This effectively pre-filters the right table to include only rows with sales rep ID 321500 before the join is executed. In other words, it's like a where clause that applies before the join rather than after. You can almost think of this like joining orders to a different table, one that only includes a subset of the rows in the original accounts table. Since this is a left join, we'll see a result set that includes all rows from the orders table, as well as any data in this new pre-filtered table that match with the account ID in the orders table. As you can see, sales rep 321500 only had a few accounts, so a lot of these orders remain unmatched. It might seem frivolous to leave so many orders in this result set without account names, but this type of join will be incredibly useful once you move on to data aggregation in the next lesson.